Hello crafters, today's tutorial is going to be a square. So we are done with the triangle here and now we will see how to make a square. It's not very difficult to make all these shapes. One shape is always related with the other. With a slight change we have a different name. That's it. So as usual, our first step is going to be making a loose coil. Pinch at one end of the loose coil. You have a teardrop. Pinch on the opposite end. You get a marquee. Now, our next change to this coil will give you a square. Now, turn the marquee shape 90 degrees and then now you pinch from top to bottom this way. So now you are doing the same marquee but on the opposite direction. So when you turn it and press it one more time, you have the previous crease that you made. So keep doing this, rotate 90 degrees, again squeeze, turn 90 degrees and squeeze. So you're going to make a crease on all the four sides. So when you keep doing that, you will arrive at a good square shape. I have one more square here with a tight coil. So you can adjust your size according to your needs. Thank you.